Hello everyone! Welcome back to Practice Speaking English. Today we're talking about hobbies. We'll learn how to talk about interests, favorite activities, and pastimes.
Join Emma and Ryan as they discuss their hobbies. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you have any hobbies? Let's begin.
Hi Ryan. Today we're talking about hobbies.
Hi Emma. That's a fun topic.
So Ryan, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love reading books and listening to music.
That's great. I enjoy drawing and painting.
Art is very relaxing.
Do you play any sports as a hobby?
Yes, I play basketball and go jogging.
I like swimming and yoga.
Yoga helps me relax too.
Do you collect anything as a hobby?
Yes, I collect coins and postcards.
That's interesting. I collect books and art supplies.
Creative collections are fun.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
I play the piano.
Music is a wonderful hobby.
Do you enjoy writing in your free time?
Occasionally, I write short stories or a journal.
I like writing poems and articles.
Writing is a great way to express yourself.
Do you like cooking or baking as a hobby?
Yes, trying new recipes is fun.
I love baking cakes and cookies.
That sounds delicious.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I like taking photos of nature.
I prefer photographing people and pets.
Both are very creative.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I play online games sometimes.
I like puzzle and mobile games.
Those are fun and relaxing.
Do you like crafting or DIY projects?
Yes, I enjoy making things with my hands.
I enjoy knitting and decorating.
That's very creative.
Do you like hiking or outdoor activities?
Yes, I enjoy hiking and walking in the park.
I like going to parks and forests.
Nature is very refreshing.
Do you enjoy watching movies as a hobby?
Yes, especially on weekends.
I like dramas and animated films.
Those are entertaining.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, every day.
I enjoy classical and jazz.
Jazz is very calming.
Do you like dancing as a hobby?
Occasionally, at parties or events.
I enjoy dancing salsa.
That's fun and energetic.
Do you spend time gardening?
Yes, I have some indoor plants.
I enjoy gardening too.
It makes the home cozy.
Do you like learning new skills as a hobby?
Yes, I try learning languages or drawing.
I enjoy learning new recipes and crafts.
Crafts are fun to make.
Do you like volunteering as a hobby?
Sometimes, it's very rewarding.
I like helping at community events.
That's wonderful.
Do you enjoy journaling?
Yes, it helps me reflect.
I do it almost every week.
That's a great habit.
Do you like puzzles or brain games?
Yes, Sudoku and crosswords.
I enjoy brain teasers and riddles.
Those keep your mind sharp.
Do you like board games or card games?
Yes, sometimes with friends.
I love chess and card games.
Games are fun and challenging.
Do you enjoy social hobbies like going out with friends?
Yes, it's relaxing.
I like going to cafes and movies with friends.
That's always fun.
Do you like listening to podcasts?
Yes, while walking or traveling.
I enjoy podcasts about personal growth.
Very interesting and useful.
Do you meditate or practice mindfulness as a hobby?
Yes, it's calming.
I meditate almost daily.
That's healthy.
Do you enjoy visiting museums or cultural spots?
Yes, exhibitions are fun.
I enjoy theatre and art galleries.
Very inspiring.
Do you like attending workshops or classes?
Yes, learning new skills is enjoyable.
I like painting and cooking classes.
Fun and practical.
Do you enjoy traveling as a hobby?
Yes, exploring new places is exciting.
I like visiting historical sites and museums.
Educational and fun.
Do you enjoy fishing or outdoor sports?
Occasionally, yes.
I enjoy kayaking and hiking.
Adventure is fun.
Do you like attending live events or concerts?
Yes, live music is exciting.
I enjoy concerts with friends.
It's always fun.
Do you like cycling or riding a bike?
Yes, It's healthy and refreshing.
I like biking in parks.
Perfect way to relax.
Do you enjoy DIY home projects?
Yes, fixing and decorating is fun.
I like redecorating my space.
That's creative and productive.
Do you enjoy writing creatively?
Yes, short stories and journaling.
I write poems and articles.
Writing is an amazing hobby.
Do you like exploring new hobbies?
Yes, keeps life interesting.
I try new skills every month.
That's a great habit.
Do you enjoy online communities or forums?
Sometimes to share hobbies.
I enjoy connecting with people who share interests.
It's fun and informative.
Do you like fishing as a hobby?
Occasionally, yes.
I enjoy kayaking and hiking.
Outdoor hobbies are refreshing.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, sometimes for leisure.
I enjoy lifestyle and travel magazines.
They're inspiring.
Do you like creative writing?
Yes, poems and short stories.
I write in journals often.
That's reflective and relaxing.
Do you enjoy photography outdoors?
Yes, nature photography.
I enjoy photographing cities and streets.
Very artistic.
Do you enjoy learning languages as a hobby?
Yes, it's exciting and useful.
I try learning a new language each year.
That's impressive.
Do you enjoy yoga or meditation?
Yes, it's calming and healthy.
I practice yoga regularly.
That's great for your body and mind.
Do you like attending cultural events?
Yes, very inspiring.
I enjoy theatre and art exhibitions.
Educational and fun.
Do you enjoy playing musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
I play piano and keyboard.
Music is a great hobby.
Do you like collecting things?
Yes, coins and postcards.
I collect books and art supplies.
Creative collections are enjoyable.
Do you like gaming as a hobby?
Yes, online and mobile games.
I enjoy puzzle and strategy games.
Those are fun and challenging.
Do you like hiking or walking?
Yes, especially in nature.
I enjoy parks and trails.
Fresh air and greenery are relaxing.
Do you like cooking and baking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
I love baking desserts.
That's delicious and fun.
Do you like art and drawing?
Occasionally, I sketch and paint.
I enjoy painting and digital art.
Very creative.
Do you like attending workshops?
Yes, learning new skills is fun.
I enjoy painting and cooking workshops.
That's practical and enjoyable.
Do you like social hobbies?
Yes, going out with friends.
I enjoy cafes, movies, and events with friends.
Social hobbies are relaxing.
Do you like volunteering?
Occasionally, it feels rewarding.
I like helping in community events.
That's wonderful.
Do you like attending live events or concerts?
Yes, live music is exciting.
I enjoy concerts with friends.
It's always a fun experience.